Hi friends, what's going on? This is Iman Saad-Din. Today هنعمل شوية pronunciation. Okay. دايما بتواجهنا مشكلة إنه we don't know the difference between the vowel letters. Well, vowel letters in English are very important, okay? They make a huge difference in the meaning of the word. Today we will practice vowel letters, only 2 vowel letters, okay? And understand the difference between the short and the long vowel sound. The first one is the letter A, which is the sound A. عندنا منها short and long. The short one like hat, hat. The long one, heart, heart. Another one is cat, cat. The long one, cart, cart. Okay? Jazz, jazz. See, short. Jaws, jaws. Long. Okay. What about the letter E? The sound E, E. Okay? Like bed, bed. This is the short one. The long one is bird, bird. Okay? Gem, gem. Germ, germ. And the last one, fest, fest. And the long one is first, first. شايفين الفرق؟ Now all I want you to do is to practice them. Repeat this again and again عشان تقدروا تلاحظوا الفرق عشان بعد كده لما ننطق إن شاء الله ننطق النطق الصحيح. Okay. Let me know in the comments below if this was easy or if it was difficult. And إذا عايزين تشوفوا النوع ده من lessons مرة تانية. ما تنسوا تعملوا share because sharing is caring, and I'll see you tomorrow again. Bye.